Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to put a box around text in Photoshop step by step. Example, create a new layer and type text or paste text. Step 1, paste text, again create a new layer, type text, box, ok. Press Ctrl T, resize, hold shift, then click shape tool, right click on your mouse, use rectangle tool and mode shape. Then fill color, stroke color, black. Then draw a box, down text, hold Ctrl align, move tool, align middle. Again click shape tool, shape without fill or without stroke. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.